Hi, Mr. Ford here, and welcome to the Basics of Electricity, Resistance and Resistors. Let's get started. What is resistance? Resistance is defined as the level of difficulty electricity has passing through a given material. All material, both conductors and insulators, have varying levels of resistance. When a circuit powers an object, like a light bulb or a motor, the electrical device being used naturally causes a resistance in the circuit, meaning the more you plug into a circuit, the more resistance and less voltage and current you have coming out the other end. The element copper has a very low resistance, making it a common element for use in electrical wires. The low resistance allows high currents and voltages to pass through the wire without causing large amounts of heat. Plastic, on the other hand, an insulator, has a high resistance. When working with high voltage, high current circuits, electricians, linemen, and engineers use thick rubber gloves due to their high resistance. Resistance has a variety of uses. In many modern cars, the resistance of electricity and carbon fiber is used to make heated seats. Varying the resistance in circuits on electric stoves and other appliances can also increase and decrease the current, thus increasing and decreasing heat. This means when you're using a straightener for hair, you're using electrical resistance. There are a number of ways to create electrical resistance. Using too small conductive material for the voltage and current of a circuit can cause resistance. This will cause a lot of heat, like when you plug in a frayed charging cable to a phone or tablet. But what about causing resistance on purpose? Resistors, a combination of conductive and insulating materials, are used to limit the voltage and current of a circuit. For example, when updating an old car's headlights, a resistor may be added as LEDs require far less energy to run properly than conventional bulbs. In electronic devices like game systems and computers, resistors are used when parts of a circuit do not require the full power of the circuit to run. The resistance a resistor provides a circuit is measured in ohms, using the symbol ohms. The higher the ohm number, the more resistance a resistor creates. Another way to change the resistance of a circuit is with a variable resistance switch. These can be found in dimmer light switches, volume dials, and electronic kids' toys. These switches allow for the user to control the flow of electrons in a circuit without changing the type of power source being used. Resistance is important. Without it, the free flow of electrons in a circuit could lead to dangerous events, like short circuits. But more on that in another video. I'm Mr. Ford, and this has been Basics of Electricity, Resistance and Resistors.